Hi, this is Blake with Eagle Woodworking, and today we're going to be going over how to navigate and fill out the order form for drawers on our website. So here we're on the drawers order form page, which you can get to from either going to the header and clicking drawers, order drawers, or you can go to order now and click order drawers as well. That'll take you here. So that brings you to this website or this web page. And from here, you're going to start by clicking whether you want a quote or an order. And then you're going to enter your personal contact information, as well as you can put a PO number that we can tag your order with as well. And your delivery options, whether you want it shipped via UPS LTL, you can pick up or select Eagle Delivery if you're local. Then if you have any different ship to instructions that are different from your billing instructions, then you can click this button as well. From there, you're going to click on the drawer material type that you want. If you have any questions, you can click on this specifications button and it'll open up a new tab that'll give you kind of measuring instructions for drawers. So let's say you want a 1/2-inch maple, and that is the thickness of the sides, so that'll be 1/2-inch thick sides. And then you'll just go to the form and you'll start filling out your specific dimensions. So let's say you want one drawer that's 4 1/4 inch high and 20 3/4 inch wide and a depth of 21 inches. And then you'll select your bottom thickness, which is preset at a 1/2-inch thickness, which is our standard. Notch and bore for undermount slides, the default is selected to yes. If you have a question of what this is, you can click any of these question mark buttons and it'll kind of show you some additional information there, as well as for the bottom, what options are available. And then drawer options, that is if you want any of our custom insert options, which you can find over here on the left hand side. If you have any questions about specifically what these are, you can click on the camera button and it'll pop up and give you the specifications for that insert. These are all built directly into the drawer. So for a cutlery utensil insert specifically, if you wanted this layout, you would input your drawer dimensions here, and then you would select C, and then that would be delivered as a cutlery insert inside of a drawer box of these dimensions. And then here's some other additional options as well. At any point, if you want to just fill out a bunch of lines at one time, and then you can hit toggle all, and it'll kind of switch all of these for you in one go, so you don't have to do it one by one. And then if you have any additional notes here, you can click add on the right hand side, and you can kind of write a note here. Say this is for room 4 cabinet 2, something to that effect. And we'll actually print these on your label that will get attached to your drawer, so you can label them and tag them to make them easier to install. Once you fill out all of your drawers, we have 20 lines shown here on the desktop version, but if you want to add more, you can just hit this click insert additional lines button and it will keep going for you. And then at the end, if you want any hardware, you just click what you want. So if you wanted undermount options, Blum, Tandem plus Blue Motion, if you have any questions, of course, you can click these cameras again and it'll give you some specifications for each item. And then if you want some clips as well to go with it. And then if you have any high-level notes for the order, you can add these here as well. And then when you're all finished, you can click submit. And then you're good to go. And you will be emailed a copy of that quote or order form submission, and you'll get a quote shortly after. Thank you.